Hey, beautiful people all over the world. I am going to be doing a cut crease tutorial for you guys, and I hope you guys love it so much. Please don't forget to like, comment positive things, and subscribe. Not only comment positive things, but if you still want some more tips and advice in the comment section, just let me know. Let's get into it, guys. Okay, guys, so grab your concealer. Right now I'm using my NARS concealer and I'm putting it all over my eyelids right now just to prep the eyelids so we can get a nice cut crease going. Somebody is watching the World Cup. Someone's watching the World Cup. If you guys hear any noise in the background of the video, someone's watching the World Cup. It gotta be lit though. Okay guys, so I'm putting my Laura Mercier translucent powder on top of my eyes just so I can prep my eyes for the eyeshadow. Now we're gonna take our Juvia palette, the Tribe. You're gonna take the shade Ashanti. And with that shade, I'm just going to put it in the crease of my eyes and I'm gonna blend it upwards. So we're gonna use the LA, now we're gonna use the LA Fierce Wild eyeshadow. Okay guys, we're gonna use the LA Fierce Wild eyeshadow palette. So due to sad reasons, I'm just gonna show you guys right here. We're gonna use this color called Dusk right there. Well, y'all can see too much, but Dusk, as you can tell, my baby is shattered, so we're not taking this off. But yeah, Dusk. Now we're just gonna go to the top and we gonna transition, okay? We're just gonna take our concealer again, our NARS concealer, whatever concealer that you want to use. What I like to do is put it right here and then look up. Where does it hit? Right here. I hope you guys caught that. So basically, I'm carving half of a circle in that place that my concealer landed at. As you guys can see, I did this method because it's easier to do it this way instead of just freeballing it, so you know exactly where to put the cut crease in your eyes, so it can make a natural looking effect for whatever eye shape you have instead of just freeballing it. We need twins for this cut crease. Okay, so at this part, I'm going to go ahead and start putting some Laura Mercier translucent powder on top of my cut crease area. And I'm doing this so I can set the concealer so it's very smooth, so I'm able to apply the eyeshadow that I want my cut crease color to be. And I'm gonna grab the palette again, and I'm gonna use the shade Coral. Hold on. Oh shit. So I want to emphasize at this part, I'm putting that eyeshadow right where the cut crease is, only where I carved out the lines to make the cut crease. I didn't put it where the transition colors are. I only put it where I made that cut crease. So be very mindful and try your best to stay within the lines of the cut crease. Okay guys, so I'm going to take this color and I'm going to blend it into the cut crease. Remember that when you blend, it's going to take a little while. It's going to take probably longer than I'm taking right now. And I'm also going to take that orange that I used closer to my eyebrows earlier, and I'm going to blend it like on top of the cut crease and blend it into that first color that we were using in the beginning of the tutorial. The first ever eyeshadow that we used in the beginning of the tutorial. So we're blending those two in together, and we're doing this so it can look very effortless and clean, and yeah. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're just gonna use eyeliner to line our lids. We're not gonna do any wing. We're just gonna do a simple line. Okay guys, so to end this look off, I'm going to put white eyeliner on my bottom eyelid, and I'm also going to put mascara on my bottom lashes. Anywho, guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are leaving a comment, please leave a positive one. Thank you guys. Bye.